DuPont, don't believe it. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $1,500. You counterclaims dismissed, that's all. In fact, the way they answered the questions,
it's unbelievable what he did.
Arrogant nose, or
he started this whole thing.
kind of snobby attitude.
It's embarrassing. Yes, it is embarrassing, but
Got my temper going.
he lied. It's all lies.
They thought they were the victims.
Well, if somebody punches your mom in the face, let me tell you.
Even to today's, and
That's what happens.
nationwide saw that the truth was.
And now, the next case.
All parties in the matter of Valentine versus Graham. Andre Valentine.
Oh God, here we go. Look at this guy's bow tie. Another one. Oh, why?
On his late father's life insurance.
Oh my.
You and the defendant met on the internet?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
When?
We met a while back, actually.
They're gay.
We met a year prior to
Yes.
the incident that occurred in November
That's why they-
2014. It was like in
You'd have to go wear that bow
Yes,
tie.
ma'am.
Come on.
And had you seen each other from 2013 to 2014?
We had communicated over Facebook. We never saw each other in person. We shared mutual friends, and we had known each other that way, and we built a bond of that nature that way.
Over the internet.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Graham, your father passed away?
Correct.
When?
Early November 2nd.
Of 2014?
Correct.
According to what I'm reading, when your father passed away, there was a life insurance policy.
That's correct.
Did you call Mr. Valentine and tell him that in order for you to collect the life insurance policy, you needed to pay a certain premium?
I did not.
Tell me the conversation that you had with regard to the money that he sent to you.
When I called
That's not
Andre,
right.
I initially told him about the situation and the fact
Tell
that
me the situation.
the situation was they told me that in order for me to collect on the policy, I had to pay the premium.
Premium. The last premium?
The last payment that was missed.
So your father had missed a payment.
Correct.
And how much was that premium?
It was $762.
Go ahead.
And initially when I told him about the money, there was no conversation about it being loan.
No. I don't want you to tell me that.
Okay.
He continues in a moment.
Are you out of your mind?
No, I'm not.
Well, one of us is out of our minds, and let me tell you something. I'm going to ask Bert, and he's not going to say it's me.
There's a new kind of juice. Whole fruits, vegetables, and ice. Before Nutrininja, blenders left you with a gritty paste. Juicers made warm juice, leaving out valuable fiber and nutrition. Nutrininja gives you 100% of the fruits and vegetables. You get a smooth, cool super juice filled with nutrients, fiber, and natural goodness. Nutrininja, now with Auto IQ. One-touch intelligence for nutrient extraction of whole fruits
She
and
also
vegetables.
needs to tell them about something
Your
it
body
was
craves. Nutrininja, also available on Ninja Professional
Shows on
blending
there.
systems.
Nobody told us to expect it. Intercourse that's painful due to menopausal changes. It's not likely to go away on its own. So let's do something about it. Kremlin Vaginal Cream can help.
Why?
It provides
Why-
estrogens to
why
help
was so
rebuild
much attention
vaginal
over there?
tissue and make intercourse more comfortable. Kremlin Vaginal Cream treats vaginal changes due to menopause and moderate to severe painful intercourse caused by these changes. Don't use it if you've had unusual bleeding, breast or uterine cancer, blood clots, liver problems, stroke or heart attack, are allergic to any of its ingredients, or think you're pregnant. Side effects may include headache, pelvic pain, breast pain, vaginal bleeding, and vaginitis. Estrogens may increase your chances of getting cancer of the uterus, strokes, blood clots, or dementia, so use it for the shortest time based on goals and risks. Estrogen should not be used to prevent heart disease, heart attack, stroke, or dementia. Ask your doctor about Kremlin Vaginal Cream.
This morning on the Morning Tennessee, we have the overnight updates as the death toll continues to rise in that earthquake in Nepal.
We're trying our best to we can to answer the phone. We're going to talk to John DeLong, financial planner. Something a lot of Americans put off to the very last moment. That is getting ready for retirement. He's going to help us get back on track. See you tomorrow.
How much are you spending on a complete pair of no-line bifocals? $250, $400, maybe even $550? Well, how about $99? Two complete pairs of no-line bifocals for $99. Stanton Optical. Call 1-800-STANTON for nearest location.
It's a beautiful day to play ball at Smokies.
Extra is going to be on channel 30 at 10 o'clock.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Strike out with the other guy.
No wonder I never seen it anymore. I usually watch House Hunters at that time. It used to come on at 5 o'clock. tonight than it was on Friday.
The world doesn't slow down for anyone. Neither do we.
Why they made it so late now?
15 Camry. Aggressive.
I'll forget about it there.
18-inch wheels.
I like Mario Lopez.
Advanced features right at your fingertips, including blind spot monitoring and wireless charging. Toyota Camry. One voltage leads to another. Now get a Camry.
We went up to, what was it, 7 o'clock? If we would have went a little ago, I guess we would have found it.
This great
8 o'clock. We went at 8 o'clock?
Let's go places.
Something like that. She
On a
told us.
complete pair of single vision glasses. $99, $250, maybe even $400. Well, how about $39? 2 complete pairs of single vision glasses. $39. Stanton Optical. Call 1-800-STANTON for nearest location.
She's on the news.
7:30 on WATD 6 on your side.
She was on the 8 o'clock news this morning. Yeah, they said, well, I guess